In a quiet little land called Luma, everyone followed the same rhythm. At the center of the town sat the drum. Boom, boom, boom. The drum guided everything. When to wake, when to walk, when to speak, when to choose. From the time they were very small, every child was taught, follow the drum. It knows what's best. And so they did. No one questioned it, because no one really remembered where it came from. Eli was like everyone else. At least, he tried to be. He woke when the drum said wake. He walked when the drum said walk. He spoke when the drum said speak. But something inside him didn't always agree, because sometimes, very quietly, he heard something else. Not loud like the drum, not demanding, just soft, like a song that belonged only to him. Da, 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 da. At first, he ignored it. Everyone else did. Or at least, that's what it seemed like. One morning, Eli stepped just a little too early. Then another time, just a little too late. Small things. But in Luma, small things were noticed. At home, his mother gently adjusted his shoulders. "Eli," she said, "you need to stay with the drum." "I'm trying," Eli said. "I know," she replied, "but the drum keeps everything right. It keeps everything together." "But what if—" Eli hesitated. "What if it doesn't feel right?" His mother paused. Then she gave a soft, careful smile. "That's just you thinking too much. The drum was given to us for a reason." "Given by who?" Eli asked. His mother hesitated. "By those who understood how to keep things in order," she said. "That's what we've always been told." Later that night, Eli sat outside with his father under the stars. "Dad," he said, "where did the drum really come from?" His father was quiet for a long moment. Then he said, "Do you really want to know?" Eli nodded. "Long ago," his father said, "I met some beings. Not from this land. They came from somewhere far beyond Luma." "What were they like?" Eli asked. "Peaceful," his father said. "Clear. They didn't speak in commands. They spoke in understanding." "What did they say?" Eli asked. His father looked up at the stars. "They said the most important thing any person is given is their free will." "To choose?" Eli asked. His father nodded. "To choose. To feel. To decide what is true for them." Eli was quiet. "Then why do we follow the drum?" His father exhaled slowly. "Because the drum wasn't made to protect freedom," he said. "It was made to limit it." Eli's eyes widened. "Long ago," his father continued, "beings believed people were easier to guide, easier to control, if they all moved the same way. So they made the drum steady, predictable, certain, and taught everyone to trust it more than themselves." Eli felt a tightness in his chest. "So we chose it?" His father nodded. "That's what made it powerful. No one forced it. People believed it and forgot they ever had a choice." "And the beings you met?" Eli asked. His father smiled softly. "They said, 'No system, no sound, no voice should ever replace your own.'" Eli felt that. "Will it always be like this?" His father shook his head. "No. A time is coming when people will hear themselves again. When they do, the drum will fade. It only works when people stop listening to who they are." Eli sat quietly. Then he listened. Da, 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 da. His song. The next morning, Eli stood at the edge of town. The drum was steady. Boom, boom, boom. Everyone moved together. His mother glanced at him. "Stay with the rhythm." Eli stepped forward. Once, twice. He followed, briefly. Then, da, 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 da. He felt it, clear. This time, he didn't ignore it. He stepped differently. Not loudly, just honestly. Someone noticed, then looked away. The drum continued. The world didn't end, but inside Eli, something returned. That night, beneath the stars, Eli said, "I stepped differently today." "I know," his father said. "Mom didn't understand." "She's trying to protect you," his father said. "She believes the drum keeps you safe, helps you belong. That's what she was taught." Eli frowned. "By asking me to follow something that isn't me?" "Sometimes," his father said. "People ask others to follow it because they fear what happens without it. They don't realize they're asking you to ignore your voice." "So she's not wrong?" "She's doing what she believes is right, but that doesn't make it true for you." Eli took a breath. "So I can love her and still choose my own rhythm?" His father smiled. "That's the lesson." Eli looked up, listening. Da, 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 da. Stronger now. Not because the drum stopped, but because he didn't. And far beyond Luma, something shifted. One choice at a time.